Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and thank you all for your support, getting into our giveaways, watching our videos, and giving us your comments. We appreciate it. We had two choices of tools, the Milwaukee M18 heavy-duty chainsaw and the Milwaukee Gen 2 7¼ heavy-duty circular saw. And we have reviews out on both those videos, and if you haven't watched them, I'd highly suggest it. Both very cool tools and probably best in class for what they are, as far as this one, as far as a blade right saw. It's really rocking, and this chainsaw is probably one of the best battery operated chainsaws that I've used. I know there's a lot of controversy around that, but I swear by it, this thing is rocked, and I cut a ton of pine trees down in our backyard with it, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm not gonna take this out for 20 minutes and wait to the end to give somebody their winnings, but be ready, this could be you. We did this all on a random YouTube comment picker, so the winner is Todd Reamer. So what you have to do, Todd, is comment on this video letting us know that, hey, I sent you an email. You also have to send an email to webmaster@workshopaddict.com, and then we will contact you back. We're gonna need your address and phone number for shipping, and this stuff will all go out. You'll get one of these tools, your choice. You're gonna have to tell us with the new 12.0 amp hour battery. Now, it's funny with that 12.0 amp hour battery. I keep saying M12 quite a bit, so if you catch me doing that in the videos, call me out on it. It's a nice big battery, and this thing's giving us a ton of runtime on a ton of different tools. We had some different tools coming out very soon for you guys. If you're a Milwaukee fan or anything, we got a lot of stuff coming. So make sure you subscribe and give us a like. Again, thanks for everybody getting in this giveaway. We have another one coming very soon, and it too will be red. Have a great day.